Welcome back to another episode. Today's video, I got Entertainment Earth package. I got this pop because I love WWE and I love the Street Profits. This is Angelo Dawkins. Here's his actual picture. And here's the other Street Profits, Montez Ford. With the official WWE sticker. And here's him again. And here's his actual picture. And then from Entertainment Earth, the other thing I got was the Rocket pin. And then from Funko, I got mystery minis from Minions Rise of Gru. Here's the minion I got. 70s Bob. I gotta hold him like this because he doesn't stand. His lollipop. Here's Galactus that I got from the comic book store. Here's the rest, it's previews exclusive. Here's the rest of the ones in the collection. I have the 10-inch thing. Here's the Galactus Blacklight out of the box. And here's the Silver Surfer. In his hand. Here's the Galactus Blacklight Chase. Chase out of the box. And here's the Silver Surfer out of the box. Here's the Silver Surfer out of the box. Galactus again. And Silver Surfer. Here's the Rick Chase. Teddy Rick Chase. I've not shown him off yet in my videos, so I'm showing him off today. Here, I've gotten this one from Jim and Dan's as well as the Galactus ones. Here's the rest of them in the collection. I have him. I have Teddy Rick, Chase, and Carmen, and Wasp Rick. Here's him out of the box. Teddy Rick Chase. He's got glass all over him. And blood. Here's Rocket out of the box. The pop pin Rocket out of the box. I love these pop pins. I'm gonna get more. And then you got a chase of Groot in this collection, which I want to. So thanks for watching. Tune into another episode of Awesome's Pop Life. If you want another video, like, comment, and subscribe. And smash that like button.